That's what's burning your edges out. That's why your hairline's starting back here.
Oh my mama, oh my hood, I look fly, yeah, I look good, touch my swag.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by Janet Collection. They sent me some products to try for you guys. Now I know some of y'all have been struggling with your lace melting skills, and Janet Collection said, look no further. Okay, we got you right here with the new Melt and Slay collection. Yes, they got some products to help you melt your lace. Now, if you see my lace, no you don't, okay, because I blended mine a little bit too dark with my contour, so don't worry about that. The products work. So if you want to see and hear about the products I use to install this wig, make sure you stay tuned for that. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl don't got nothing today. No water, no tea, no wine. I ain't got nothing because Ken is paying for lunch and drinks are on him. So don't worry about pouring me up a glass. He got this, okay? As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, these products are from Janet Collection. All the links to these products will be down in the description box, so if you guys want to check them out, you can. Now, the products they sent me is from the Esha Melt and Slay collection. So first up, we have the Daily Setting Mousse, not to be confused with my other little one, the Daily Edge Lace Mousse. That's something totally different. The smaller can was meant for my edges. I only use that on my lace or to lay my edges down. This one is for everything. It comes infused with castor oil, hydrates and adds shine, alcohol-free, tames frizz, defines curls. So you can also use this on your curls. All hair types, wigs and braids. You can use it on your hair, you can use it on your edges, you can use it, you know, for your baby hair, swoops, slick them down, whatever you gotta do. That's what this one is for. And then I also have the Daily Glueless Lace Spray. Y'all know I love me a quick lace spray. The one I was using before was the Daily Glueless Lace Spray. I'm pretty sure it's kind of like in the same realm. They may have just renamed it, I don't know. Y'all been selling that joint out, but again, they have dropped their Melt and Slay collection, and this is their Daily Glueless Lace Spray. Fast drying, 24-hour hold, and gentle on the skin. You can also remove this with water. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Now, to try out both of these, I'm gonna use my Lennon wig in the color number 2. I have tried her already on my channel. I initially tried her in the color 1B, I believe. So we're gonna see if we can tame these curls with the mousse and then lay her down with the lace melt spray. I got about 15 minutes to get this hair on and styled because I have a date today. Kenny told me to be ready for lunch. Look, keep paying, I'll be there. Let me be on time, okay? First, I need to tint my lace because it is very, very ashy. I don't know what I'm wearing, child, so we're gonna try to hurry up this install. I'm pretty sure when I reviewed her the first time, she didn't take too long. I think the main part was just the curls. I had to tame the curls for me because they're a little unruly once you put the wig on. I'm using my Mocha 360 powder. This is a makeup powder. Y'all know I'm not really a tint spray type of girl because it's just too messy for me. So I just go on with my makeup to get that all around like that. This one does have a band. It's adjustable too. Was it adjustable in the other one? I don't remember. I'm gonna take off these adjustable straps in the back though, because I do remember the wig being a little small on my head. And I'm not trying to get a concussion while we at lunch. I'm trying to eat. I don't need my head hurting like that. My head hurt when I ride with him. Let me pull this hair back. The edges are gonna be real short on me, so we gotta try to make that work. Ooh, that was right on my chest. And that one, and this one. Get my razor. That's too much lace right there. Let me get that off. Come on, come on. Cecil Pettigrew. Come out. It's Uptown Saturday night. I'm gonna use the Daily Setting Mousse first. Infused with castor oil. I like that, especially around my edges. Get that castor oil on your edges, child. Shake it up. Be smarter than the can. Oh, there we go. Ooh, it smells good. That's thick. Okay, okay. I can't see nothing either because my glasses are off. I may need to pull some hair out in the front here, right here. These little baby hairs in the front because I don't need all that. A little bit more mousse right here. Okay, just like that. Get that melted down. Ooh, get back, get back. Wrap this down. Oh, shh, my head is big. Take my hair, brush this out. It's a little cold outside, so I need to make sure my wig gonna be sitting right. I may need to relax my curls a bit with my blow dryer brush and put a little mousse, because it said you can. Put a little mousse on my hand. Relax those frizzies a bit. Is it sticky? There's a little stickiness to it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then we'll come back and finish up the styling. Makeup is done. I need to relax my curls a bit, so I'm gonna use my blow dry brush on high. I'm gonna take off the wrap so I can see what the hairline is sitting like. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Not bad, but I wanna spray this into place. I'm just gonna spray it right here across the front. I don't really care about my sides because more than likely they will be down. If I gotta spray them down later, I will, but for right now, I'm just gonna spray right here across the front. I'm gonna use the lace spray it right across the front. Right up in there. I'm gonna kinda let the hair fall where it is. I don't wanna move it too much. Take my band, wrap it down again, like so. Because I'm in a rush, I'm gonna use my blow dryer on high and hot. Take it off from the top, roll it forward. There we go. I do need to tint my lace because she is ashy. So I'm gonna use my contour, bring that around the front. My sides are not blended, but it's hidden, so I ain't gonna worry too much about it. Oh, let me be careful. Wait a minute. About to snatch my wig off my head. It does have a ventilated cap, so be careful with this one. Your comb will get snagged in there. Now, I don't know where my headband is. I had one. Oh, here it is. Again, I'm not putting my sides down because I don't really care for them to be down, but that front is sitting on there. Okay. But again, she comes off of water, so don't be alarmed. Ooh, come on, come on, come on. Clipping my wig under my headband like that, just so it can sit down. Use a little bit more mousse in my hand. Work it through the curls. Get rid of them flyaways. Lay the hair down. There we go. Comb the curls out, and that is pretty much it. I do think it melts really nicely. Like I said, I've been using Esha products for a while now, and they work really well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add these two to my arsenal. We like this. Now, I don't know how she's gonna hold up if I start sweating. Make sure you check my pinned comment down below. I'll put the update down there. To take this off, I just use my spray bottle. I would just spray it across the front and then pull it right off my head. Nothing crazy. Some of y'all wanna use that glue bond, lace, but whatever. I don't do all that. I wanna have my edges when I take my wig off, okay? And the water, water is natural. Spray that water down and I can get this wig right off. Okay, I don't gotta do a whole bunch of alcohol. That's what's burning your edges out. That's why your hairline's starting back here. You're not taking your wigs off right, all right? This, water only, that's it. The mousse tamed the curls, it tamed the frizz. Even though the hair did come with a slight luster, the mousse did not add anything to that, so it didn't make it too shiny, so I do like that. It clumped the curls back together, like it looks really good. Listen, your girl is hungry, so let me go ahead and get up out of here, yeah. Shout out one more time to Janet Collection for sending me these products. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct links in my personal coupon code for these products down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.